Hey, how's it going? Shelton Matsey here from Fit Code. Wanted to answer another question I got on Facebook. Wanted to take the time. One of my friends, Yumna, had the question about losing that last 10 pounds. And we see Mackenzie back here. She's eagerly awaiting to go to camp here in a second. Say hi, Mackenzie.
Hi.
And consistency. After digging down a little bit deeper, I found that her true issue was not nutrition, it wasn't workouts, but in actuality it was staying consistent with the things that she knows she needs to do in order to be successful. And that is a lot of issue with a lot of different people. So how do we gain consistency? One of the key factors you can do to gain consistency is using accountability. So accountability, to get accountability is to find accountability partners, finding people that can make you successful, finding something that's going to be bigger than you. And then oftentimes, one of the key strategies you can use is sort of gamify the process. And what I mean by that is turn it into a game. Find someone else that can hold you accountable and say, hey, I'm going to work out for the next 30 days. Let's do this for the next 30 days. And if we both hit the next 30 days of working out straight consistently, then we can go out, get a mani-pedi, go get our hair done, get a massage, get a new car. I don't know about if that's worth that, but you see what I'm getting at. Or maybe it becomes a challenge. Hey, first one to go out and get fast food, then you have to, buy me X, Y, or Z or whatever, or you have to do so many burpees or whatever the case may be. So it becomes a challenge between you and your friend. So those would be two things you can do. Another thing we can do, a lot of times when we're going through a process and trying to lose weight, trying to get towards our goal, sometimes we may try to eat the whole elephant at once as opposed to taking it bit by bit. And that becomes an issue because we see that whole elephant and then we start chomping down and we're like, oh man, this becomes too big. And you just quit because you see that the process and what it takes to get there is going to take too long. So if you take the tortoise and hare approach, and that goes back to consistency, the tortoise wasn't fast, but he was consistent in his approach, where the hare tried to go out fast, stop, go out fast, stop, and he didn't reach his goal as should be, right? So if you take it a little bit at a time, piece by piece, and say, hey, I'm going to focus on this one habit that's going to get me closer to my goal, not focus on the goal itself, but let me develop this habit. Let me eat 2 to 3 veggies in each day, or work out 3 to 4 times a week, and develop those habits. And then as you get those habits down, develop another habit and layer it on top of that. Then you start to find your success, because then you have a bunch of habits that you have replaced old habits with, as opposed to trying to create new ones. All right? So try that out. Consistency through accountability, and that will help get you to where you want to be. You guys have a great day. Shelton Matsey and Mackenzie Matsey signing off. And let's develop some consistency to get towards those goals. Have a great one. Bring it.